Okay, so in this scenario, we're going to demonstrate real-time billing or real-time invoicing. The numbers aren't going to be filtered. The screens are going to be rudimentary, but it's just going to show you how this can actually work in real time, and we can add to the fields later. So the first, starting out is we're going to do time entry. And the assumption here is we have a session coming up that we are going to log time against. It took effort from us, and we're going to log time against that. So we'll go ahead and click the time entry. And there's the just the title. There's some additional notes if we wanted to, but that's optional. We'll select the date. Today's date is April 10th. I'm just going to go ahead, and this is the time entry field. So let's just say 2 hours. I could do 2.5 if I wanted to, but let's do 2 hours. And then this is the session. So in this scenario, I just have one session, which is a demo slated for today at the 10th, April 10th. But if I had a series of upcoming sessions, this could look out and find that list as well. I'm not going to log any tasks at this time. I'm just going to do this session, and then I don't believe I'm showing this anywhere on the billing, but let's put it in there. So from there, I'll go ahead and hit save. And there is a time entry shown up here. I can move it. You get a little, you'll get a little green banner that shows the time entry was saved. So now we'll go ahead and go into the billing. Let's bill off that time entry, or the time entries that I've had for the event that's happening on the 10th. So you can see here it's got, yep, here's the one I just submitted. So it's available. And right now I probably need to go in and add a rate and add the total. But what we can do is, and I can do that in real time just to get those to populate. So let's go in here. And let's just go ahead and add. Let's just add a rate and add a total. So let's just say it was $20 an hour. And you can see it populated right there. So there's the sum. This is just the database of the app. So now that I've had the rate added, I'll go ahead and do a quick refresh here. That way it shows those values. I need to add the rate and the rate to the pane, or automatically do that calculation. And as while this is loading, you can see that the screen showed 4 different billable line items. In this demonstration, I'm going to bill for all 4 of those line items. Let's go back into it real quick. So billing, and now you can see there's the rate, there's the total. So on the entry screen, I'll need this to auto calculate. But for the sake of this demonstration, we're just going to bill one PDF with all 4 of these line items. If we wanted to have a total for all 4 of these line items, we could do that as well. But from here, you just simply hit that button, and we have a little screen loading on top. And I'll have an email here in a second. But right now I have the automation built to where just grab all these line items, send it to the person who's logged in. You could have a preview screen shown up here. You could also have a filter to where if you just wanted to bill, you see how I'm selecting these. You could have it bill based on what's selected. You could have a toggle to say, what is unbilled. These are some of the different ways. But there's the PDF. It looks like it's a little smushed together. But there's the example of real-time invoicing, and now it's up to us to kind of filter the data to determine how do we want to make it look and fit within this use case. Hope you enjoyed. Talk to you later.